channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Celine. Welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I would truly and greatly appreciate it. It's the red button either here or here. It's absolutely free. YouTube will not charge you, and I most certainly will not charge you. So please join my family. Let's have fun. Let's enjoy this YouTube ride together. So guys, today's tutorial, as you guys have read from the title, I am going to be trying out the famous Scott Barnes and Tati foundation process. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. So without talking too much, I'm actually not going to talk in this tutorial. After this, I'm just going to be following the process, and when I'm done with the tutorial, I will come back and then we will see, you know, if it was a hit or a miss. But yeah, so before we start, I'm just going to do my face prep. I just washed my face and my face is dry. There's absolutely nothing on my face, so I'm just going to prep my skin before I start off this look. So I will see you guys real soon.
What I like to do with this is to bring it in, and you just use it to like eliminate stuff. And I'm gonna go in ham. Like I'm gonna use makeup. Like I'm not gonna pretend like.
Just drench me. My skin eats makeup. Like it really does.
I did your makeup once before and it was like that.
You don't use primer?
For what? I don't really.
What do you mean for what?
I don't really need it.
To fill everything in. Wow, this is a look.
I like the contouring and everything to do the work underneath the foundation so you don't see it. Now, this is everybody's like, where do I contour? So this is always the question, right? So I bring the light right all the way up to the edge. And sometimes you see really bad nose contour.
Lego. It's the original Batman. Original Batman. Oh.
It's fake kills.
Alright. Gucci on the Prada, see me feeling bad.
And it looks like they're behind bars. Okay, couple brushes. Let's talk about brushes for a second. If we're gonna talk about Jennifer, Jennifer calls this a cat paw.
Oh.
Because she goes, look, it's like a cat paw.
I love that.
So anyway, what I like to do with it is just kind of blend it out and just working into the skin. Now I'm starting to feel like that guy from, remember who used to do the painting?
Bob Ross.
Okay, we're gonna put a little tree in right underneath your nose.
Do a happy concealer.
A happy concealer, and there's a small little squirrel jumping around on your forehead.
Tell you what, let's get crazy.
You have to remember, okay, lifting. I'm like literally giving you all my secrets here.
Do you hear that, guys? All of his secrets. I'm gonna play this back over and over and over, and I'm gonna be like, how did he do this? Well, now I have it in action. Yes.
So what I do is just gently, watch, I'm gonna turn your nose just a little bit so that everybody can see this. And and you can do this on yourself, which is very easy, is I blend it up this way, see? And I got really great new lashes. I can't wait to share all this stuff with you.
I know. This is such good timing because I'm so obsessed with your
Ding dong. See that? See how the angles are already happening?
Ooh.
It's kind of weird, right? The reason why I always hit the chin is because you want this to come forward. It makes things sharper.
2,000 years later.
All right, jaws. We're gonna come in with the jaws of life.
Ooh, yes.
Snatched.
Snatched, the house.
So this is what I call, I'm gonna do this look. I actually have named it.
Oh, you named this look?
Yeah, it's called Snatchral.
Snatchral.
It's snatched, but natural.
I love that so much.
It's kind of like Glowy and Hoey.
Yes. Where's your merch? You need some.
She's pretty. She looks natural, but a little bit more. So she's natural. Now, if you need to minimize someone's neck, this is what I do. Bring it into a V.
I don't think my neck needs to be minimized.
No.
This is my area that I don't like. Scott actually is always like,
it's beautiful.
What are you doing? Why are you? I always try to cover this up.
Why?
Because I don't
cover
like
it with what?
I don't like my bones.
What? Everybody else is like, clavicle, clavicle, give me clavicle bone. And you're like, let's get rid of it.
A lot of people ask, how do you deal with the haters? How do you deal with the trolls? Like, and that's one of those things early in my YouTube career that so many people.
Do you have haters?
Oh, sure do.
I don't.
The whole camp. Oh, Scott.
I'm joking. Okay, minimizing your forehead now. Like the light's hitting right here, so I'm just taking it down. That's all.
So you do makeup differently per shoot, per lighting. Like you really
Oh, the first thing I do when I walk in,
look at the lighting.
I walk right to the director and I'm like, well, what are we doing? Where's the light? And then depending on what lighting we're doing, or what the AD is using for lighting, it will determine what I do for fountain. This is where people really mess up with contouring. They over contour and then they drag all this brown into the nose and into the side of the face.
And then they just face tune it later, just saying.
Which is an issue. Now the trick to having a fuller lip is not overlining it to death.
So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing what you talk about.
Okay, I'm decided I'm gonna use some Chanel on you. Ready?
Oh.
We're gonna start with the bottom.
He said ready, and I'm like, this is so relaxing, you guys. I usually sit here and
So I'm gonna do like a little bit like what, this is like, you know, like I said, we're doing this for TV and for stage, like for like a music video.
There is a difference because you have to think of like, I mean, she looked great under all lighting situations.
Yep.
To me, the difference between some of the artists that you see that are dominantly on Instagram or just photo shoot, and then someone like you that actually has to think about every situation. You know, for film, for live performance.
At a woman's face and I'm like, okay, how to make you look perfect. You know what I mean? Like that's
what we like to hear.
And then we're gonna use a little bit of lighter foundation because we don't want to take away the contouring. Okay, so instead of just eliminating that lip, we're just patting over it gently, like that. Ooh. She's there, but she's blended.
When did you discover that technique? Like, really?
One eternity later.
Man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get.
I love cream. I think that cream works primarily better than powder for a couple reasons. It looks like it's coming from inside the skin. And we want you to look like a baby face. So baby face is in here.
That is the one thing that I've noticed, and I will like try to copy you. Like you do this thing with your blush brush when you do powders, and I was talking about it with your brush specifically.
These.
Yeah, where you almost like take it, you don't pull so much, but you do this thing where you like fluff it almost up.
Flick it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I try to do that. Sometimes I get blush on my nose. I'm like, damn.
I just came out with a foundation brush. It's amazing.
What is this best for? What kind of foundation?
Cream foundation, like what we did here, yeah.
Okay, so this would be a good one to do even like the body, maybe?
Face, everything.
Face, everything?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why stop at the body when you can do your face? Like, face are in 2 different zip codes. You're like, whoa. And then they blink their eyes and they'll lit.
I'm feeling something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire. So me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling. Something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire. So me, I light up the fire. Girl, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of.
It's white. Okay, powder.
So what powder are you using? You're using your powder.
I'm using Petal. She's a little translucent with a tiny tinge of pink in her. And what that does is cancels out any kind of like little bluey, purpley stuff underneath the eye.
Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head.
What?
Ooh, is that highlight?
Yeah. Do you know Glow Getter? Private Society?
Oh, they actually had sent me some stuff, and they're like an indie brand with a lot of cool products, actually.
I use it a lot for highlighters.
Love that.
See?
Ooh, yes.
Ooh, she's gorge. And I'm like one of those people, I just kind of mash everything together.
I'm watching this and I'm like, oh, okay. And somehow it looks so great.
My fan brush, which is like, yay, big fan.
You're a big fan of your fan brush?
Yeah, I'm a fan of the fan brush.
Boom, boom.
Da-da-da. Dad jokes. I got dad jokes all
Oh, we welcome
day.
that on my channel.
Yeah.
Very much.
Guys, see how my eyes are looking like Chinese eyes. Oh my goodness. Let's
You
continue.
know,
Oh my God, yes.
razors.
Oh,
Razors.
I just
Razors.
had plastic surgery with makeup.
Yes.
I'm very happy. I need to go places after this. So
Like all over the place. Like, hi.
I'm just gonna drive around and just meet people.
So funny. I did a shoot with this woman one time, and she never had her makeup done before. Never did a photo shoot in her life. Nothing like that, right? She was like, "Oh my God, I went everywhere with my makeup on. I went shopping. I went."
Yes.
She's like, "I went to Barney." She's like, "Everybody treated me differently. It was so crazy."
Makeup's
Barnes, you asked about this. Here it comes. All right. Look at that. I just want to show you 2 strokes.
ooh.
Yeah. This is with just a little bit of powder. It's beveled so that you can work with the curves of this brush. I created this so that you guys could not think about it. I hate when that looks like there's a stripe. So let's toast the edges. Do you remember Made in Manhattan? Let's talk about that for a second.
Who doesn't love that movie?
Okay. So remember the beauty scene when she becomes Cinderella?
Yes.
Remember the makeup?
Yes.
The shimmery highlighted. This is really basically what I did with it and threw a lash on and a peach lip. Because I wanted her to look like herself, but more.
It's natural.
It's natural.
You
know,
guys, these brushes are the real deal.
It's
They
the jam.
are so, so good. I work with so many different brushes. I've tried so many different brushes over the years doing what I do. And the shape on these makes so much sense.
The thing is, to really make makeup amazing, you gotta go slow and take your time with it.
You got a thing that go Chris for a man. I got the money, so they sing.
Okay guys, so he's just doing her eyebrows now, but guys, hello Barbie doll. So anyways, he's just doing her eyebrows now, and I'm just going to quickly go off camera and do my own brows, and I'll be right back. I'm done with my eyebrows, and now he's doing like eyeshadow on her. I'm just quickly going to go do my own eyeshadow. It's going to be a separate tutorial, so I'm going to quickly go off now and go and do my eyes and my lips, and then we'll come back and wrap up this video. So I will see you guys soon. Alright guys, so I am back. This is my finished makeup look. Guys, well, this whole Scott Barnes foundation is not bad actually. Like, it gave my face a very different shape, which is nice. The only thing I know that I didn't like and I feel did not fit me is this contouring of the lip. Like, I feel like it makes me look like I have a mustache, and I already have like big ass lips, so I don't think that's lip contouring is for me. The lip contouring part is not for me. So, but every other thing was or is amazing. Was like, man, hello, can you see that? Can you see that girl? Can you see that girl? Anyways guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, that's it for today. I will see you guys in my next video.